Luthuthi. Ya, ngiyabonga. Bebengeke basho next. Bawothula nje kube ngathi ngisimumu. Hayi Zenani. Bebayothula labantu abang lo ngikhuluma ngiyini ngingazwakali. Kanti wani ngeke emasontweni ngoba iSunday. Angathi akusontwa la ekhaya. Ola wemi. Siphuma khona. Ayibashishi banidethele na kwesontweni ke. Abashishi banidethele. Wanidumisa kancane kanje. Yazi nona nginasimungu ne?
No. I don't wanna play now. I wanna ask, how long are you gonna be on?
Vala ngo5.
So when after 5?
Hey, you good?
Well, uhamba no Spood.
Hello, Nani. Hey, Kamuso, you good?
Ah, sweet.
Nah, that guy's playing.
Wait, no, I wanna ask him, hey Makamu, well, after 5, what time are you gonna be back on?
9.
Okay, sharp. I'm gonna yeah, can you play it like around that time?
All right, akunankinga. Uze ngizokushaya. Sike inkinga.
Okay. Tabo, sharp, ne?
Sharp.
Okay, come, I'll see you later.
Sharp.
Why? You said I'm greeting you, you're not greeting me back. What's wrong with you? Kamuso, you good, bro?
Please, woman of authority, hi. Moja.
I see.
Oh, trainer ngathi ngibonile ukuthi une official.
Yeah, I'm official. I'm gonna be next week Monday.
Oh, trainer ngathi.
I'm training on that nje yabo. Sifuna ukubuyela ku A League. Nasafika ku A League siyaphuza, sifuna ukufika ku A League. Yabo. I need to be on A League. Ngiyafika ngidinga fragment A1 and then I'm gonna be on A League. So today nangathola fragment ngizoba ku A3.
Okay.
Yeah. How slow do you type? Nah, I'm joking.
I'm good.
I'm good. Thank you for the help me, okay?
Hey, Tab. Awuhambi no Spood.
Alright, guys. Please let's double tap the screen.
Spood, Tab.
Yeah.
Awuhambi no Spood.
Indaba khululeka ungawarayi.
Uyele ungiboleka yena. Uthe ukungiboleka yena sinini. Ayingeke.
Khululeka ungitshela ukuthi vele bekanawe lapha. Ngathi mina ngina stress out yami.
Hey. Engake ngadelela man.
Somebody's comment got filtered, guys. Please try saying it in a different way, nah? Someone's comment got filtered. Guys, mina ngiyokugunda wenywele zami azikho mnandi.
Manje nawe wakhetha ukubhedela ngoJanuary.
Kuzoyenzani mfethu? Ngizoyenza njani? Mfethu vele bengifuna vele kuba yi-early bird vele, yabo.
Ngeke. Sinamali futhi ngalezo inkathi lezo. 12.
Yeah.
I-12 January.
Yeah, 12 January mfethu.
4 roses guys. But I don't think manje kuzohamba kahle. 4 roses.
Can I get 4 roses, guys? 4 roses will activate speed. Thank you. 3 more roses, guys. 3 more roses from 3 different people.
Guys,
3 more roses from 3 different people, guys. Guys, that's not my rose. Okay, no problem. It's fine. Okay, it's not the end of the world.
Thank you, Z. 3 more.
Hey, what's up? Did you go to church?
Mina.
When angazi vele ulibe uzirelaxele. Yindaba ukuphi sa America but?
Mina.
Yeah, usa America wena manje?
Yeah. Inside.
Manje indaba yini kuyabanda lapha.
Hey, kuyabanda ngapha ndothi it's winter.
I know because America is winter. So angazi ngathi use America.
Yeah, there's snow.
Ngiyacabanga ngathi use America.
There's snow everywhere.
Snow everywhere, bro.
Yo.
Awuthi ngibone mfowethu le snow club or indaba ngicela ukubona lapha ngaphandle snow esikhona.
Manje ngike ngizoba umsebenzi kumele ngithathe ifoni phinde ngivule umnyango and
Oh.
mara ngizokubonisa.
Uzongibonisa ne? Ngifuna ukusibona phela le snow phela hey ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi mshuthi vele kuyabanda vele lapho kubanda impela.
Hayi la ngikhona kuyabanda, it's cold. Kahle akubandi ithi ngapha eAmerica sithi kuyabanda sithi it's cold.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. It's cold.
It's cold.
Okay. No problem. Puti. Unjani Puti? Are you good? Uyaphila Puti? No, ngiyakuzwa ke mntaka baba. Hey, thina ngapha kithina sithi kuyabanda.
Kuyashisa that side.
Yeah, kuyashisa this side.
Hayi. Ngisazokuthatha Thabo ungivakashele ngapha ema-palm trees.
Yeah, awufake entweni man, awufake entweni ngibone lapho emazweni ukuthi zikhipha yabo.
The president yethu akususiriel uTrump ngapha.
Oh, Trump ngapha. Yes. Manje ngoba uTrump ngizwile bathi ngathi ayikho right man.
Yeah, akaphilanga kahle vele ekhaya.
Ngizwile bathi ayikho ngimnandi bhuti ngimnandi mntaka baba. Ngizwile bathi ayikho mnandi usirial naye akekho mnandi bayafana kahle labantu.
Akasiphathi kahle uTrump.
Yeah.
Samthrowela uvisa afuna ukumbamba simminye.
Ndifuna ukumminya ne.
Ngumminya.
Thina sifuna ukuthi usirial emela yehle isikhathelwe nguye.
Kanti why ipresident yethu ngabe umuntu ona 30?
At least ne
35.
Umuntu omusha kahle ne. Yeah.
Hayi yabo mkhulu abanabo 60 something hayi ngeke.
Yeah. Ngiyakuvuma lapho. Kaza siye Clavin. Yes.
Didn't hit.
It didn't hit. Guys, let's play together on the glove, guys. Why are you laughing? Muhlekani. Guys, together, guys. Donut, something. High score is cool, something nyana nje. Yes. Thank you so much, Puti. I see.
Oh, nangu sibuda Musa, chu. Nangu sibuda chu. Kanti why?
The king.
Awusinami ngizama
so much, Puti.
For what?
Yeah?
Awusingizama ukulahlela ama-forward nyana nje. I tried to.
So lahlela ama-forward kuphi manje ku-president?
Yeah, ku-Trump. Siyazwana.
Yes, thank you so much, Puti. Thank you so much. Yes, ngiyabonga. You got a glove, you got a timer lapho. Mike, siyamthanda Antoinette Shothe Weli M. Thank you so much. Udusa forward manje uyaforward. Uforwardela ku-Trump lapha nabo banibani ukuthi baphume eParliament beze bazodila nje la, bazodila nje.
Bazodiscipline because manje nako ke phela
Guys, please send the heart to me yakho. If I want to mail heart to me, guys, send heart to me so uzokhona ukulevel lapha in the house. Kuleka hayi. Awani.
Ngeke phela nako kuphethu esakafuni negame e1 winwe. Thank you Zinye heart me. And lapha phela abafuni ukungipha i-rose because I'm ngithi unlock the speed lutho indiva.
What time are you gonna open up your live today? Guys, please just all double tap. I see. Love you too. I see. Thank you so much, Aww, can't you call Uber cute, Gabonga, thank you so much. Guys, everybody we tap. Yeah. Thank you so much, S. Thank you so much. S, Gabonga heart me. Guys, please don't forget to claim Mama points win lapa so to level up in the house, ne? Indaba, why would you wear Magakuchi Sawon? Why would you wear S, welcome back. Alright, Magakuchi. Alright, Itabo. What do you mean, get right, guys? Yes, I mean, I'm right. Why? Guys, somebody told me they love me today, guys. Like,
January. Yo.
Bedlala wena.
5 roses, guys.
Guys, can I get 5 roses?
5 roses.
Oh no, yes, you can, Shothe. No, ask easy, Shothe. Being it maybe you're asking regarding something, but in the right.
Guys,
thing is,
Sunday.
I thought you had already
Umusa.
asked me if you can write or ganjan earlier on. Guys, can I get you?
Umusa.
Guys, ngicela Rose. Manga Gucci faki Rosie. Ala.
Mama
Can I get
Mesha.
4 more roses? 4 more roses, guys. Hey, it's not my rose land. Oh, guys, I forget to put like a treasure box for you guys so that you guys can put roses, Shem. 3 more roses.
I'm all yours, Tap.
No. Lokuthi ufake into ezishisayo lapho shisa.
Fake cheese.
Ngathi manje awuthathi kahle enhloko, as-understand. Ukuthi are you mentally disturbed or are you fine?
Kushisa kuphi sawo? Ngoba kushisa yangishona. Bekunetha manje ngasekudala.
Kuyashisa la Mzansi baba.
La kushisa emzansi.
Shisa be.
La ukhona hayi kushisa bhe. Hayi la ngikhona.
Be.
Ha. No, awuthi ngikhumula isigqoko.
Hey. My hair is too crusty.
Isonke ngoJanuary ihair yethu icrusty vele.
My hair is too crusty.
Ngifuna ukugunda impandla, ngifuna ukuyigunda la ku live. Nginomshini ngifuna ukushaya impandla, ngiyishaya khona la ku live.
Shaya impandla mfowethu. Nami ngicabanga ukuthi bele ngiyokugunda namhlanje kahle. Maybe later come back with a fresh cut. Maybe later come back with like a fresh cut, you know? That's what I'm thinking. Because what's going on underneath here is really not Axinte yabo.
Apha sengu-99% kule battery yakhona.
99. Mina ngiku top 70 manje. I need to get a fragment. If I get a fragment today, ngiya ku A3. I need to go back to where I belong. Hey. That's where I belong. Hey, phela umuntu there was a time ngekho live for like 2 weeks. December.
And then wabuyela emuva.
Yeah, nangibuya bengu A2 bengu A3 nangihamba ngibuya ngiku B3.
Mina ku-A ngiyofika kule viki, le viki leli siyakulo.
Yeah.
By Saturday ngizobe ngiku-A.
I see. Mara ngizolibela ngiloku ngukubhacabula yeso.
Cha ngokusabi neda ngazi ngithole ngesandeni ngilisa. Mara kula malanga uyangibhacabula yazi.
Kula malanga sizingicela udlala nawo. Yini manje?
Kula malanga.
Ukutshela ngathi mina I'm your father when you are my son.
Uyazilawula kula malanga ayingeke.
Ukutshela ngathi you are my son. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gorgeous. S, ngiyabonga bhuti. Success, siyamthanda catch your take, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, chat. Appreciate it.
Good people. And by 8 ngale by 3 by 4.
That's the thing. It's not about it's about the quality of people on the live stream. You understand?
Guys, I see quality.
No, it's all about quality, you know? That's what it is. Guys, it's all about the amount of people you have on your live stream. Guys, let's go. Everybody we tap, guys. I can have 1 person and you can have 200. I will whoop you. Yes, Lewintole.
Nyazi. Ngizashaya una 300. Shaya umuntu nomuntu oyi1 ngale.
Exactly. Guys, can I get guys, first give this triples, guys. Whatever we can play, let's try play on the triples, guys.
Uthi uma players I enjoy.
Whatever we can play, guys, let's play on the +3. I see you guys. ×3.
You enjoy seeing
guys. ×3, ×3, chat.
SOS.
Black Shield, thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. All right, guys, it's okay. We keep double tapping, right? Just keep tapping the screen, guys. Share the live, guys. Repost the live for me, ne? I'd appreciate that. Repost, share the live, guys. Guys, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. New rights. Sunday, new rights. Tandega Saubon, Hunjan, you good? Thank you for the hot me. Guys, get something from here, ne? And please send your hot me's, right? Get something from the treasure box and send your hot meals, guys, okay? I'll see. Hey.
Clock it, Pumi, clock it.
Clock on lap. Guys, 3 roses, bro. But about 3 abashugil. Braids by Pretty, thank you. Guys, 3 roses. 3 roses, guys.
Yeah. 2 more, guys. 2 more.
Guys, can I get 3 roses?
2 more.
2 more roses, success, thank you. 2 more roses, guys.
2 more.
Guys, 2 more roses, we activate
2 more roses,
speed.
thank you,
If you've
Bahe.
got a
1
rose,
more.
please drop a rose, guys. We need 1 rose.
Bonge Renelwe. Asilindeni times 3, Puma. Asilindeni times 3, yabo. Asilindeni times 3. Sabaweli yazi mina ngiyablockanga na mina vele athi ngiyukublock.
Guys, 3 roses.
Kazi umntana kabani lo.
Yes, no, nothing, maybe, no. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, guys. Kazi umntana kabani lo. Uzale ubani ke lona.
Thank you, M.
Times 3 guys singahlasela ke lana sithi
guys, man, understand us. Ngifakile treasure ukuthi so we can activate. You guys, I don't know. Or ngikwazi ukuyisebenzisa, but yesterday you guys were doing so well ngayo. Namhlanje ngimangaza. Yini akuna energy na.
Thank you, Pumi. Sine-time 3 guys bazosenzela imanga. Bazofaka le glove labo. Ekudala balibekile from last year.
You're a funny guy. Hello. Hi, pro. Catch you later. I'm going. Oh, you cook as well, M. Oh my God. I'm really played. Can I come through to have? Well, probably gonna be dinner by the time you're done. I'm really dinner up. Can I please? No, why are you laughing? I'm serious. I'm gonna invite. Oh. Hey, you're good looking. Thank you, bro. Appreciate the compliment. No, but I'm serious, like I'm serious. Bafan, you good? Might as well to make location lab.
Wenza ngathi uzoya.
You'll think about what's there to think about. I don't understand. Ngizoya ve. Nah, it's my location ngizoya mfethu.
Yo, way.
Ngizoya how? What's there to think about? Okay, but it's fine. Okay. Think about it.
Ukuthi abantu bayasonta.
Think about it, yeah.
Abek.
No pressure.
Hey Lolo. Thank you, Pumi.
Bye, M. Bye-bye.
Yes, Lolo.
See you when I see you. Alright, guys, I see everybody we tap, guys. Somebody snipe chat.
Azangikushayanga.
Guys, shawu kamuso guys.
Angikushayanga yazi. Thank you Renelwe and abantu abathephile. Renelwe and Pumi. Pumi akatholakali.
Guys, ngiyabonga everybody that tap. Thank you so much.
Thank you Pumi.
Athi ngibone la kunobani. Akunamuntu. Or kunayo umuntu ongam-add wena.
La.
Hayi sesobona after bengibuza lapho. Siyamthanda ngiyabonga guys, siyabonga sithiphini. Mashobani, guys, I see. Let's all double tap the screen.
Unabantu abayi-5 lapho.
Yo, namhlanje sise-freezing wire mos. Yo.
Hayi. Ngishayile la. Kayi-2.
Guys, ×2 chat. I see.
×2 good people. It's a Sunday, man. Let's like
×2 guys. First gift to ×2.
Let's discipline ngomoya engcwele. Napha lapha zange siwine yazi. Bayazi bake bangibuza Nthabo.
Yeah.
Basi imali yokulike.
Wathini?
Athi ucela imali yakhe yokulike. Kwasho omunye la. Ikhona imali yokulike Thabo.
Manje wena wathini?
Hayi, wazibuza ngathi akashaya live yena. Ngize ngizomlikela ngibone ukuthi uzokhuluma yena.
Guys, can I get 2 roses please?
2 roses. 2 roses.
Guys, 2 roses.
Izimbali ezimbili.
Siyamthanda ngena la ku treasure box uthole icoin bese uthumele irose. Eve Mulefi, thank you so much. How are you? Guys, can I get one more rose please, guys? Mulefi, thank you so much. Guys, one more rose please. Guys, one more, guys. Take something from the treasure box and send a rose, guys. Well, one more rose, guys, from someone different. It's okay. It's okay, guys.
And emako amaSunday kanje ngiyashaya yazi.
So that's
amaSunday yakudlalwa nami.
Nas.
Bonge stia. Adile ngoma zakho lezi ezongidlisa.
Ngabangeka abantu abekho baba. Abantu basemasontweni badla ama lunch manje.
Ne?
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngizophuma vele bashaya ifoni ngizophuma ngizobuya lenga uma 6-7.
Kahle. Ayuvala ngo5 mina. Uvala ngo5.
Uvala ngo5 bese ubuya nini?
Ngo9.
Yeah, mina ngizovala manje, ngizovala ngo4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ngibuye ngo7. And then 7 ngizophusa from 7 until ngo2 ekseni.
Wena wena ubalayo.
Guys, please send hot meals. Double tap the screen for me. I see. Everything I do, wondering if the dreams that I believed in still come true. Caught in between.
Buda.
It comes back. Oh, ngambona nje. Guys, thank you so much.
Bonguthi ngitsepile guys, thank you.
Wonke umuntu othepile guys, danko. Awuthi ngibone la ukuthi kunabantu. Yo, mina nginabantu. Khona umuntu ofuna ukum-add.
Lava bakhona la kusima friend wami mara bakhona.
Kwanele, thank you for the follow. Yeah?
Lava bakhona la kusima friend wami mara bakhona.
Asidlale.
Baphisi.
Qala likho phela. Kwanele, thank you for the follow. Uyaphila? You good? All right.
Let's go. Let's keep going.
Guys, first keep this times 3. I'll step on the screen, guys. First keep to times 3. First keep the strippers, guys. Taban, what's up? You good? Yes, Taban, what's up? You good? Miguel, how are you? Welcome in. Guys, happy first Sunday of the year. Kwanele, thank you so much for the likes. I'm good. You're right, poet.
Ah, can't be nix.
Why it's okay, Kwanele? Guys, can we get 4 roses?
Ama rose ayi4 izimbali eziyi4. Zinande kanti ulubulisa kayingakhi ngelanga. Super calm, hot boy.
I'm not smoke. Come on, so give us a chance, yeah, boy.
I see what's a fan.
That's a big chance. Not that you're more to go.
Ngizoyivala mina.
I mean, I really don't before I go off. I'll come back in a second.
Angizobuye ngo9 late look here.
So I'm going to say cool, man.
Step aboard the world's most luxurious fleet. Cruising all-inclusive, unrivaled luxury with Regency Seas Cruises.
Akahle ngiyohabelela ibhola ngiyobukela ibhola
Yeah.
ngiyobukela ibhola manje.
Yeah, I'm United, man. Team yam. Baby. Promise of love, peace, for we always keep. Darling. Our little kids depend on you and me. Hold on. Hey, Bo.
Yes, now.
Don't welcome in. We gotta keep this family. We gotta keep this family. It's love forever. It's all love forever. We gotta keep this family. We gotta keep this family. Guys, please double tap the screen. Don't forget to send your hot memes for the family. Bam, bam. Hold on.
Nale street lesi ngisithathe okubhorayo yazi. Angikwazi
We
nokuyochoma
gotta
phakathi ngale
keep
street.
this family. We gotta keep this family. This love forever. Just hold it love forever. Guys, thank you so much. Kwanele, thank you. Samtanda Daily with fantastic dot. Tabang Neo, guys. Welcome to Tepi.
Yazi ngibonga ukuthi ngithephile.
For the family.
Amuso mawusothule kanje.
Hey. Success, Tanko Budi.
Lulu.
Guys, first give times 2. It is already 20K. Thank you so much, guys. Family.
Yeah.
I will see you later, bro. Just hold this love together. We gotta keep this family. For the family.
Ayingibukela ibhola mina.
Yeah, no, Nambela. Let it be the last game.
Lulu on my 11.
After
Yeah.
that,
3 more
guys, I'll
guys.
come back on 7. Then I'm gonna be much. On 7. For 7 o'clock, I'll be here. So follow me, guys. 7 o'clock. Ngenkathi vele ziyakhala kasidlali ngenkathi. Uma isilexile sipholile, says asiyi namuntu. Mana ngenkathi hayi.
Okay. Nama ngikusa.
Ngenkathi seba box.
Ngifuna
I'll see you
la.
guys later. We'll charge on the speaker and all that. So what's this here for, man? Guys, I'm going on my follows. What put the follower? Thank you so much. So rest here now. Comes as another way on 9. I'm not stress. Make sure to be about bang and pay. Okay? Don't need to put any 10-0. It's serious. 10-0.
What my 11? Ngeke.
Okay, no problem. Hi, Bianca.
Emaru esunzima kabu esinyamsaba ayi.
So I got next put. So I got lo thazobona wena ukuzikhipana. Ngiyadlala we ngithenga twos. Wazi ungasafuna ukudlala nami. Hi Anya Gray.
Amara vele ukukhuluma iqinisa uS angeke ayi. uS sekayenzela ukulaya.
Ayikhululeke. Stand war thina ngapha. Stand war. Na uza nge-war. Khululeka nje into esiyifuna yi-war. Yabo? Wena iza ne-war, nathi sizokuneza i-war. Yayibona lonto.
Imeli isuswe yini obvious. Angisho thina siyasithanda. Ipacu uyazilandela.
Khathela ukuthi kunini
Ipacu uyazilandela.
Kunini sisusana nama-war bhuti.
Le isusa manje ngayisusa nizobona mina.
sikhathele kulo wasusela leyo. Sihlala sisusa njalo. Akho isuse nawe ngelinye ilanga nje. Kusurprise sibone nje abo 5k lapha abo 10k lapha yabona. Sibone ukuthi yabona manje kuyaliwa.
All right.
Yeah.
Bona after lunch amanye ama calls are international.
Tuva my brother, how are you bro? Akuna stress nje ya, akuna stress. Kululeka.
International calls.
Kululeka.
Sharp sihle mnganami. Shama international call.
Yeah. I feel
Well done.
I see.
So isusa.
No stress. Alright, Shaya, mithi ngizokubona ngenkathi ke yeso. Yeah. Ngizokubona lokho ngenkathi. Guys, I'll see you guys on 7. I'll come back at 7, eh? Sharp Kamuso.
Showcase njami. We ngiyobukela ibhola mina. Ubukela ibhola mina. I'm going to watch soccer. Lena yikho ngangami. Ngizani vele? Ele amasoccer. La bhora nalibhola. Valelisa. Oh and ngiyathanda ukungavalelisa. Okay guys ngizothanda ukuthi farewell. Yeah, ngizothanda ukushiya farewell. Yeah. Kanye ayingeke. I'm leaving.